In the last video, we learned how to work with dashboard area in Flutterflow. In this video, I'm excited to show you how to make the most of my organization in Flutterflow. Whether you're part of a team or flying solo, these features will help you to stay organized and efficient. Hey NoCodeTut fam, Amir here, and today we're talking about the My Organization feature in Flutterflow. This is where you can manage billing for your team, edit projects simultaneously, and share resources like code, design systems, APIs, and assets. Whether you have a big team or you're flying solo, this feature is a game changer for keeping your development process organized and efficient. Let's get started with team code. Imagine you're working on multiple apps and some custom code can be used across them. With team code, you can create custom functions, widgets, and actions that everyone on your team can use. This saves building time, effort, and costs because changes only need to be made in one place. To share custom code, navigate to My Organization Team Code, click plus Add, and select what you want to create and share. For example, here I create a function called string to int. As the name implies, this code will convert any string data type input to integer data type. A string data type stores plain text such as title and description. An integer data type is for storing numbers such as 5. I choose integer. Nullable should be off. For input, I select string. You use AI to create the code easily here. It is good to mention we are not coding, but asking AI to code for us. Check the code to be sure it is correct. When you want to use this shared custom code in a project, open the project, go to Custom Functions from the navigation menu, click plus Add, and choose from Team Function, Team Widget, or Team Action. A pop-up will display the list of custom codes, and you can click to add them to your project. If you need to modify the shared custom code, duplicate it first and then make your changes. Next up, team media assets. If your team is working on multiple projects and needs the same icons, images, or audio files, you can share these assets. This saves you from uploading the same resources multiple times and ensures consistency in design. Navigate to My Organization. Team media assets, click Upload Media, and the uploaded media will be accessible from Project Media Assets in the navigation menu. Shared media assets will have a Teams icon at the bottom right. Now let's talk about the team design library. If you have a website, a mobile app, and a desktop app, creating a shared design system ensures consistency across all projects. A design system includes colors, typography, fonts, icons, app assets, navbar, and app bar, as well as pre-designed UI components. Navigate to My Organization, Team Design Library, click plus Create New, and configure your design system. To use it in a project, go to Theme Settings, Design System, and select the Shared Design System. For Team API Library, imagine a company with multiple apps requiring similar functionalities. Creating a centralized API ensures consistency and efficiency across all apps. Creating API calls is another topic, and in future lessons, I will show you how to create and share them. And that's the scoop on the My Organization feature in Flutterflow. It's all about making collaboration easier, keeping everything organized, and helping you build amazing apps faster. Don't forget to bookmark this playlist and subscribe to NoCodeTut for more awesome tutorials. You're watching Introduction to Flutterflow playlist. If you have enjoyed the video so far, please consider subscribing to my channel and turning on the notification bell so that you can get notified when I upload new videos to the playlist. And that's it. These features will help you to stay organized and efficient. This also helps your app development to be faster and smoother. In the next video, we are going to talk about the app builder in Flutterflow. See you soon. Keep those ideas flowing.